My full name is Raghav Bhakshi. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir. I have done my master's in economics.
How was the internship portal, and how was the projects you have done? Is that helpful? How were the
Yeah,
mentors?
the type of projects that the iNeuron internship portal gives you is are of very good level. You can say the projects are very simple because the data set is easily available from the Kaggle, but the expectations that iNeuron has is very good. For example, that you are making classes for everything, you are modularizing your code, you are showing them to the client. And I can give you a reference that in one of my interview, I just showed my code to the interviewer. He was impressed by seeing the quality of code that I have written, properly exception handling, logging at every step, calling each function, declaring modules, class variables, everything. They are actually the realistic one. Even in the industry, you follow the same standard.
Can I have your success story? Like, what are the struggles you have been faced in the interviews? And while after the student part, after going to applying to the jobs from the various portals, and also continuously iNeuron helped with the placements. Can I have the story of that one?
The key is consistency actually. For almost 1 year, I dedicated myself each day some time so that I can learn this new technology. Coming from a non-technical background who didn't know anything about coding, I had to put in some extra effort. If you are not willing to put in some extra effort to actually switch or make transitions, it will be very difficult for a person to do it. Okay, it will be difficult for you to take, we can say, do big things in first or second go, but for sure you'll be able to do it after few attempts. Everything that is being taught by iNeuron in the live classes, you should take them very seriously. Everything is taught for a purpose actually. If you are thinking that this mathematical calculation is of no use to you, then I am sorry, you are wrong. You can be asked about this.